YouTube. Got the AirPods today. These are the 2nd gen AirPods. So let's get right into it and unbox these bad boys. So YouTube, 2nd gen AirPods. Now these are not the wireless charging ones. Wireless charging, so the case, you can wirelessly charge your headphones, and the case is just the case you have to charge with a wire. And it's I believe a $50 difference just to get the wireless charging case. And this is Amazon. I mean, I did not get these Amazon. I went to Apple Store and bought this. No Apple Care on these, so we're gonna be living it a little bit risky. But let's get right into this. So it is Apple. You're gonna know they're gonna have a little bit of premium packaging. So let's lift up the case and reveal them. And designed by Apple in California. Lift this up. I think we got the manual in there. Yep. Instructions on probably how to set up the AirPods. Yep. The big thing about the AirPods is, compared to the fake ones, that they're really easy to connect. The fake ones are usually much harder to connect. You always lose connection with them. And this is your manual, privacy, whatever, guide. Put that to a side, we don't need that. And the main thing, we got there it is, the Apple AirPods, the $250 headphones. Ooh, there we go. The case does feel premium. It does feel heavy compared to the fake ones, definitely. You can just tell just by the look, just popping the AirPods out, you can just tell just by looking at them that they're premium. And it probably cost Apple, like, be honest, like fucking $25 to make, and they mark it up and sell it for $200. But still, you can just tell they're much more premium than the fake ones. The main difference between these and the 2nd gen is just longer battery life and better sound quality. Not a huge, the design is still the same. And it comes with a charging cable. Not a power, we don't get an outlet, just the charging cable. So that's nice. I'm surprised Apple even threw in a charging cable. Knowing Apple, they probably want you to buy a separate charging cable. But that's pretty nice of Apple to throw in a charging cable with this. Damn, you can buy some Android phones for this price. But again, these are Apple headphones. Apple does mark up their product really high, but they are premium. You know, you're not gonna get cheap quality, even though it cost Apple $25. But that doesn't mean the quality is any bad. So just to go over these, so you got the top cover here to open it. Comes with the right piece. Does it say it on here anywhere? No, it doesn't, so you just gotta know. And comes with the left earpiece. Oh, yep, it does say it, left, right there. And let's check this one again. Right there, I'm blind. So you got at the top right here, you got the charging light. So that lets you know that your AirPods are charging in the case. Pretty sleek design at the front, complete white. And go to the bottom, you got your charging port. The AirPods do come with the charging cables, as you guys saw in the box. Plug them in, and they're gonna be charging. The case will be charging. Head over to the back. You got the connection button to your phone. Sleek metal design, metal plate over here. And at the back it says designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Wow, Apple, great way of saying made in China. Really good, really good marketing. And nothing else in the back. You got the complete white on the sides, and that's it. You cannot stand them up, they'll fall over because it's a round with the round edges, which is totally fine. So there you have it. They're charging. You can, I don't know yet, you guys can see the LED lights. Hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys want me to leave review these further, and I'll catch you later, YouTube.